Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tholinhlanhla. I go by Ntla because my name is a sentence. Go Mrs. Ngoya, so Dlamini Ngoya, go Dlamini. My company name is Every Girl's Dream Wedding. How it started is actually really is wedding is every girl's dream wedding. So I thought, okay, so since this is every girl's dream wedding, how about I give this girl the dream wedding? This actually, it's not, I studied hospitality management, but how I got to weddings, I don't know. I kind of just, it's a calling, I would say. But my business, what I've learned today is people will come up and give a business speech and say, this is what I do and this is what I charge and whatnot. But what I've learned along the way is people do business with the people that they like. So it's all about me telling you why I'm in the business. Because the reason that I'm in this business is because I'm so passionate about it. My business is different from the other events coordinator, because there's so many events coordination in Durban or any other place. But mine is different because it's out of passion. And when I do an event, yes, I want it to look beautiful. But at the end of the day, what my most ultimate goal is to have this person so happy that they will always remember me. Because the wedding is something that you have for the rest of your life, so you say forever. So when you go through your forever, you always think of Ntla at the back of your mind. So basically, what we do is we don't focus more on what we gain from it in terms of money, because yes, we're going to gain money now for this event. But if I help you save more money, you are able to bring me more business, which will then make me more money, but then I'll sleep better at night because I know I've saved you money, your family is happy at the end of the day, and you've saved for your kids and for everybody else, and you've had the most beautiful, beautiful wedding or party or whatever event that it is. So basically that's what we do. When we meet the clients, you tell us what events you want to do, you give us the budget, we work on your budget, and then we become very realistic. While I'm busy doing this, I think I'll just share this with you because I think I'm venturing into, I'm going to give my business an edge. Because I want to do this. I'm now studying psychology and counseling because what I've seen is people come and they say, I want this beautiful wedding, and because my friend had the top billing wedding, I can't afford it, but I will force the man to get the loan and all that. And then at the end of the day, 3 months down the line, we're divorced, we don't have money, we've got all the loans now we have to pay, and the house that you had, some of them don't even have a house. So what I end up doing is now I end up advising them how to save. I advise them that you don't need this. I advise them that you can have this most beautiful wedding at the lowest price. It doesn't have to be expensive. It has to be cozy, it has to be emotional, it has to be intimate, and then pay less for it. And that's now, when I've seen that, I said, okay, now, my business is now, it's every girl's dream wedding, and it's gonna be every man's dream wedding even. Because this man, I promise you today, the guys, they're telling the ladies, you know what, after 3 years, I'll have a call of the couple and they say, can we come and visit you? Because the man was happy. How rare do you find a man that wants to go and visit an event coordinator? Because event coordinators, they're always sucking up the money from the people. Thank you very much. Enjoy the evening.
My question to you is that you mentioned that you're trying to give your company the edge and you are now moving towards advising, which is consultancy. What brought that about, and how do you see that benefiting your clients?
How am I going about it? I'm now doing, I'm doing my second year in the degree of psychology and counseling. How is it helping my clients? It's not about I'm gonna advise you that it's not about the day, the 26th of December that you're getting married. It's about the rest of your life. So you don't have to take all your life savings to one day. You have to save up, have a good function, then save up for the rest of your life. So that's how my clients are going to benefit from it.
My question would be, since you are in business, on my point of view, whatever you're saying to me, I can feel that you are a humanitarian and more than on a business side. How are you going to make sure that you make profit with your business? Because if you say that you come to me and I'm a client, you're going to do my wedding, we talk about my budget more than what you, as a business person, what you say, what you put on the table. So I'm not clear there how we're gonna make the profit and how we're gonna make sure that you stay competitive, besides having an edge that is different, where you mix psychology and hospitality. Thank you.
Okay, Sissy, what's happening here is you, I'm saying you're gonna save, but I'm not saying, Guti, you're not gonna pay me. I'm saying I'm gonna be realistic. I'm gonna make you realize, Guti, you don't need to pay 150,000 rand instead of 100,000. So there, I've lost maybe 10,000 rand that have come to me. But when I'm walking away, happy client, you've got 6 more friends that are getting married. And you're saying, you know what, Ontla is not about the money, it's not all about the money. Because then people will be saying, wedding planners, they just want money. When are you saying, you know what, this woman, she's got my heart. She knows, you know, because when we meet, I'm saying, good, when Lindy, you're getting married, I've got your best interest at heart. So you know, with wedding day, I'm there 6 o'clock in the morning. When now you're not, I'm stressing more than you. I want it happening because I so love you so much. When that happens, because what I do also at the weddings, because of all this relationship that we've had, I talk at the weddings not as selling my business, but I give my speech to the couple that's getting married. When I talk, I believe you me, the audience is going to feel the love that I have for this couple. They will want that love for themselves when they get married too.